Central Drug Standard Control Organization has initiated an investigation into Gujarat-based Indiana Pharma for supplying eye drops that have been linked to severe vision damage in Sri Lanka. Ekta joins us with all of the details here. Ekta?
Thanks for that. The Central Drug Standard Control Organization, or the CDSCO, India's drug regulatory authority, has initiated a probe into eye drops linked to vision damage in Sri Lanka. The probe is initiated after allegations that a popular steroid eye drop, prednisolone, manufactured by Gujarat-based Indiana Ophthalmics and supplied by Mumbai-based Alvita Pharma, caused severe damage to the eyesight of patients in Sri Lanka. The eye drugs were administered to patients following cataract surgeries in government hospitals. The number of patients impacted could be as high as 35. While the batches were withdrawn and samples have been picked up, which will be sent to the Central Drug Lab for investigation, it is important to note that the drug, as per reports, has been tested by the manufacturer in an accredited lab in India. More so, Indiana Ophthalmics is expected to be one of the larger manufacturers of eye drugs in India, is officially registered with the Ministry of Health in Sri Lanka and has been supplying the same products for the last 7 years. This incident is not the first where eye drops manufactured and exported from India has come under scrutiny. Earlier this year, Tamil Nadu-based private pharma company Global Pharma was in the dock on allegations that the eye drops and ointments used for dry eyes manufactured by them for the US market were contaminated. Their eye drop had been linked to over 50 reports of adverse events in the US, including vision loss and a death. Now, and it's not just eye drops. The latest incident is a grim addition to a spate of incidents of allegedly poor quality or contaminated drugs supplied by Indian companies across different countries. In less than a year, we have seen incidents range from Maiden Pharma's cough syrups being allegedly linked to the death of over 65 children in Gambia, Marion Biotech's cough syrup linked to the alleged death of around 18 children in Uzbekistan, to WHO issuing an alert on the cough syrups manufactured by Punjab-based QP Pharmachem and marketed by Haryana-based Trillium Pharma. The Indian government has refuted allegations on Maiden Pharma. And yes, while the government has begun turning the screws, such as cancelling licenses of 18 pharma companies allegedly manufacturing spurious drugs, to testing of cough syrups at government labs before exporting, experts say steps have to be taken to ensure standardized quality across therapies to prevent long-term impact to India's image as the pharmacy of the world.
All right, very important story there, Ekta. Thanks a lot for taking us through all of the details on this one. But on that note, we're going to have to wind down on this edition of Business Lunch with the news that the markets are still holding absolutely at, with that 30-point kind of gain, 18,560 on the Nifty. The Nifty Bank in the green as well. But we'll wind down on Business Lunch. You stay with us.